Hi guys, welcome to this computer system. I'm testing something more about NVIDIA cards. I was given this NVIDIA GeForce GTX970 to test out and see if I can make it work, right? This is an old computer system. The card is not that recent either. And I plugged it in. I used my Intel GPU before that without issues. When I plugged it in, I was using again the GPU NVIDIA open source without issues. But the thing is, of course, many people want to use the NVIDIA drivers. So again, what we do, and we've made already an article about hybrid graphics on ArcoLinux.com. So this is going to be a more or less copy-paste of the article that's already there about installing the official NVIDIA driver, but this was on a laptop, a hybrid graphical system, two cards in there. And here you can see the two cards, right? Two GPU lines. So switching, that's hybrids, going from one or the other, and that's tricky on Linux. So this is a hybrid system. What I'm on now is not a hybrid system. Let's see, so we have an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 970, which means I go to download drivers. I did the same procedure as in the other video, so I can I'll follow along the text that I created there. So GeForce 970, it's not a notebook, it's a desktop, it's a real big graphical card, like 20 centimeters on 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters thick. It's like, God. But I plugged it in, right? Pushed it in, sometimes difficult. And on the 970, that's it. If we're not mistaken, so let's have a look again. GeForce GTX 970, GeForce GTX 970. Cool. Linux, go down, 46 bits of course. There you go. Start search. And what we need the NVIDIA N40. Now, normally, what would you do is do an yay NVIDIA, would give all the possibilities you have on ArcoLinux and at the top on AOR. So you can build drivers from the AOR. So the normal thing to do is take a look at the number 455, right? NVIDIA 455. So 455. So you would say, let's just install NVIDIA and be done with it. But these days that's not possible with kernels and things like that. Check out ArcoLinux.org for the news. So we can't run that one. Okay, fine. So we end up by going to this website, nvidia.com, download our package, and that's already downloaded. I'm already on NVIDIA. So on the downloads, we get a file, and from this file we are going to in TTY. Of course, the process goes in TTY. So you check the video plus X and then this one. So you are executable. You can actually say sudo and then execute me this thing, but you can't do it in a graphical environment. So go and have a look and look at the video that I've made on the other topic here. Here, NVIDIA hybrid graphics set 1794 for the procedure. It only differs for some elements. So when I went into well, I did the same procedure in the sense that Linux LTS headers and not Optimus Manager Qt, I don't need this one here, were installed. I disabled my LightDM, I rebooted everything, sudo reboot, fine. Oh, I have it this twice, good, I'm gonna delete that one. And then I'm gonna shmot, we've done that, we've shown you that, and you run it again. And then you have choices. This installer gives you choices, and I said yes to libraries, and this time I said yes also to the updating of the xorg.conf. So I told him, okay, you take care of it and not the Optimus Manager. That's the difference between this video of this way of installing NVIDIA and the one here on the hybrid one. And then I enabled everything, and yep, I had indeed a NVIDIA. How do you see that? When you launch this thing and you can actually read what's inside, you can set these things, then yes, then you're working just fine. You can also see it in INC-B, but then it's just the driver that you know that's installed. Here it is, NVIDIA, I think it's that one, it's this one, driver. Well, yeah, both of them. So that's fine, that's cool. I'll make a new article with the steps I took. It's the same procedure, so watch the procedure here. And the only difference is no Optimus Manager Qt, and I did say yes to this option here. Maybe we should end with that. What does that yes option do? Always follow what's inside your X11. Put it open, let it be there already, and you see them write elements to it. And in here, if the Optimus is installed, it will have a 10 as a number, 10 Optimus configuration, something like that. And it take care in hybrid things. But not, this is not hybrid, this is just a plain big ass graphical card that goes into your desktop, and we don't need that. But we do need these settings. This one is empty, but this one clearly states use NVIDIA, section device. Go get that card. So that's Xorg taking care of what to choose. Do I need to choose an Intel or an NVIDIA or anything else? Alright guys, putting this thing online, and have fun exploring and experimenting with NVIDIA drivers. Cheers!